This table, but far out, it is trashed. Bane of my existence. The glue poster has well and truly been trashed, so I'm actually going to get rid of it. Because the kids just don't care. They don't look after anything, so it's going to go in the bin, and they're going to be taught a lesson. If they ruin their things, they get thrown out. That'll do. Pop off, mate. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. I only really have the kids' rooms left to tidy and then potentially the laundry, but I think I'm going to call it because I'm hungry, it's lunchtime, I want to have a rest. I've got the robot vacuum on, so the floors are getting done as we speak. This mum's going to have lunch and